Hi, my name is Jacklyn Griffis. I'm a second-year PhD student at Pennsylvania State University, and I'm also in my second year here at the NREIP program. So some of the graduate work that I do back at Penn State is related to multi-material laser powder bed fusion, which is a metal-based AM process. And the work that NREIP has allowed me to do here is related to directed energy deposition and its simulation, which is another metal-based AM process. So what we're trying to do here is simulate some large-scale propeller models to try and classify them to be manufactured using DED as opposed to other traditional manufacturing methods. So something that the NREIP program really allows us to do, especially as grad students, is it lets us work in adjacent fields to the research that we're doing back at grad school. So in my case, we're working with metal AM, both at Penn State and also on base. So what that allows me to do is it exposes me to a lot of other engineering perspectives from adjacent fields in a larger industrial research setting. And this sort of allows me to get new perspectives on all topics related to metal AM, from metallurgists or from the welders themselves, to try and build a more fundamental base for myself in a way that also contributes to a larger product. Something that the first year of my NREIP program experience showed me was that I was really interested in a federal level or a national level lab environment. And so something that my second year has allowed me to do as well is sort of get accustomed to the working environment that we see at these larger national labs. And so something that I really enjoy being able to do here is network with the people in my related field, be able to sort of pick their brain to understand how they approach similar problems in the same field, and also try and lean into some of their existing expertise to try and bolster my own fundamental knowledge related to metal-based AM. So one of my favorite experiences as an NREIP intern is something that we call Meet the Fleet. And that's where they take all of the interns down to the Norfolk, Virginia Naval Base, and they let us tour some of the active naval ships that we have down at that base. So this gives us the opportunity to tour stuff like the aircraft carriers, some of our destroyers, even some of the submarines. And they'll even take us into their engine rooms, where we're able to sort of appreciate these ships on a more engineering and technical level. And so what this does is it lets us take what we work on at base and apply it directly to what we're seeing on active ships in the Navy. So if you're interested in a program that gives you the opportunity to apply engineering fundamentals back towards real-life examples that impact America's Navy, I definitely recommend the NREIP program.